I am your computer teacher of class 5th. From today we will start computer chapter number 1, which is working in Windows, on page number 5. Open page number 5. Today we will read this chapter, so let's start the reading. Children, you have studied about desktop, taskbar, icons, etc. in the previous class, and that you can open the applications by clicking on icons present on the desktop, change the position of the folders, etc. Besides these, you can also change the desktop background, clock setting, etc. Let us learn about these things. See the picture below. This is the default desktop background of Windows 2007. This is. You can change it and have a new background. Now come to page 6. Steps to change the desktop background. First, right click on the desktop. A menu will open. This is the menu. Second, click on personalize in this menu. A window will open. यहाँ पे कोई personalize है वो आपको करना है. Third, in this window you can see different themes like architect, character, landscape, nature, scenes. Select the desired theme. The pictures or options related to them theme will be displayed. Fourth, right click on the desktop background below. All the windows present in it will appear. Fifth, select the desired picture. You can also select its position. Click on picture position and select the desired option from the menu. Sixth, afterwards click on change picture. Select the desired option from the menu like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, etc. and click on save changes at the bottom. This the desktop background of your computer will change. 7. Beside these themes, you can also set your saved pictures also. 8. For this, click on browse button in personalization window and double click on saved picture and set it in the background. Gadgets. Gadgets means a tool or device. Personalization window has many gadgets from which you can select the gadgets as per requirement and set it on the desktop. First, right click on desktop and click on gadgets option from the menu. A window will open. Second, select the desired gadget from the available options and double click on it. Selected gadget will appear on the right of the desktop. Third, see to the right side or in the picture above. Selected gadgets, calendar and clock are visible. Now clock setting. On the right side of the taskbar, you can see time and data. This is the default format. First, single click on it, clock window will open. Second, on the bottom of the window, click on change date and time setting and then click on change date and time. Now third, a window will open. Click on change collector settings. Fourth, in that window, click on date formats. Short date or menu will appear. Click on date format. For example, this. Now fifth, now click on time tab. A menu will appear. Click on desired time format in it. For example, 6. Click on apply on the bottom of this window and click on OK. 7. Now see the desktop. Date and time are in new format. So आज हमने कहाँ तक रीडिंग करी? यहाँ तक आज हमने रीडिंग कर ली. From the next we will start reading from taskbar option. Now you have to read up to step 7 or up to on page number 10. So you have to read whole this chapter. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.